It's Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 67th birthday today, and the Prime Minister arrived in Gujarat last evening and is going to, spend the entire day in Gujarat, beginning with his hometown Gandhinagar, where a series of functions have been planned through the day. He, in fact, received a grand reception on Friday night when he landed at the airport. This is the Prime Minister's third visit to Gujarat since the assembly elections are due next year, and he is going to start the day by seeking the blessings of his mother in Gandhinagar. And Rohit Bhan is tracking that story for us. Rohit, it seems the Prime Minister has a packed day ahead on his birthday and plans to begin the day by seeking the blessings of his mother.
Neha, in fact, he has already taken blessings of his mother, and we are right now outside the residence of his mother, Hirabai. In fact, she stays with Pankaj Modi, the younger brother of Narendra Bhai. And just a while back, he went in around 7:15. That's the time when he went inside our house, and he was there for around half an hour. What we've been told is that the mother offered him sukri, a special sweet which was prepared by her. And after a brief chat with the mother, he has in fact left for Raj Bhavan. That's where he will be meeting the Chief Minister and other cabinet colleagues, and also has a meeting with other BJP leaders. He'll be there for a couple of hours before he'll be flying out to Limkheda. That's a tribal-dominated area in central Gujarat, where he'll be inaugurating an irrigation scheme and also addressing a rally of tribals there. And then in the evening, he flies to Navsari in South Gujarat, where he will be attending an event to disburse hearing aids to 1,000 odd beneficiaries. The state government says, the BJP says that it's going to be a record event. About 1,000 beneficiaries will be given those special kits. So clearly, the Prime Minister has a busy day. It's almost a day out for the Prime Minister here in his home state. Till evening, he's going to be around. He will be having these series of meetings which is lined up. It's begun with seeking blessings of his mother, Hirabai.